My girls were usually pretty educational. What are you doing? Chilling in the shade, pretty girl. Oh, you already taught these puppies, huh? Yeah?
You're tired of puppies, you want to go back in the bedroom?
No, she's fine. She's fine. You like that one, Willow?
Yeah, Willow, let's take that one home.
You want to take that one? And look at her. Look at that baby. Oh.
Okay, let's don't.
No, it's alright. Willow. That's enough. Good.
You're going to round them all up and make them hide under the...
Right? You got them all tame? Look at that. 2 minutes with Grandma. Oh boy. You guys gonna come out?